In the last video, we took a look at the Manage Agent section. Now, we're jumping into Manage Queues, where the tenant admin can set up queues and assign agents to them. First, let's understand what are queues. Think of queues as virtual waiting rooms for incoming calls. Tenant admins have complete control over queue configuration and agent assignment. We'll explore two key areas here: queues and assign agents. Let's dive into queues. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing queues. Each queue has a name, a strategy for distributing calls to agents, like round robin, longest idle agent, ring all, and many more, a maximum wait time for callers, and a separate wait time for when no agents are available. You can also see a description, its current status, active or inactive, and options to edit or delete the queue under the actions. Tenant admin can filter the data based on queue name, strategy, status, max wait time with no agent, and description. Click the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new queue. Here's what you'll need to define. Define clear and recognizable names and add a description if needed. Choose a strategy for how calls will be routed to agents, like round robin, ring all, and many more. Assign failover action prompts here. In case of failover, these prompts will be played. Select the music on hold, add wrap-up time, define a maximum wait time for callers in max wait time and a separate wait time for when no agents are available. Add the supervisor max wait time here. Define seconds for the max wait time without the supervisor under max wait time with no supervisor. Enable or disable call recording for this queue. Now, let's move forward with the Assign Agents section, which allows you to assign the agents to a particular queue. Here, you'll see a list of all your assigned agents to queues, which shows the queue name, the extension number of that agent, the name of the agent, and the defined priority for that agent. Tenant admin can also modify the priority by clicking on it. Tenant admin can filter the data based on queue name, agent extension, and agent name. By clicking on the plus icon at the top of the right corner, tenant admin can assign an agent to the queue. By adding details such as, select the queue from the drop-down list, and then select the agent from the drop-down list to assign to the queue, then simply save it, it will assign the agent to that particular queue. At the top right corner, you can switch to Assign Skills. This allows you to assign specific skills to queues, helping route calls to the most qualified agents. Here, tenant admin can see the list of assigned skills. Queue indicates the name of the queue, and the skill displays the name of the skill, which is assigned to that queue. Tenant admin can filter the data based on queue name and skill. Similar to the assigned agent, by clicking on the plus icon at the top of the right corner, tenant admin can assign skill to the queue. By selecting the queue from the drop-down list, and then select the skill from the drop-down to assign to that queue, next, simply save it, and it will assign the agent to that particular queue. By effectively managing queues, agents, and skills, you can keep your customers happy and calls flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll explore dispositions.